And we hire for character, train for skill, and everybody says that. But the reality of it is that we don't care what you can do. We care what you are, and how you are. Because that's going to make a difference. And
how do you interview for that? Not to put you on the spot, but what's the way to know that, or how do you kind of do that?
Well, there's definitely some questions you can ask to get a gauge from people, as like for instance, one of the best population that the question I asked and I get the best result from is, has anybody baled hay before?
Really?
Yes.
Has anybody baled hay
before? Have you ever baled hay before? If you answer yes to that, then you're probably going to work out pretty well at Collins Jewell.
Really?
Yep. Because it's hard work.
Yeah.
It's hot work.
Yeah.
And when something breaks in the field, you don't go back until you fix it. So whether it be bubble gum and duct tape, you gotta fix it.
Got to get that tractor.
You got to get that tractor fixed. So kids, people who've worked for farmers and baled hay at some point in their life, their success rate at Collins Jewell actually is pretty high.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's a little bit of that character piece.
Sure.
Have you ever changed your own oil? It's a stupid question, but in our Jiffy Lube world, a lot of people haven't.
That's right.
But
those tinkerers, those mechanics,
that's right.
The guys or the gals that kind of make it work. That's interesting.
Yeah.